now, at this exact moment, something is happening in space. Something that scientists say shouldn't be possible. And it's heading towards us, not towards Earth, but towards your perspective of reality. In the next 20 minutes, your brain will be forced to question, who are we? Where do we come from? And are we running out of time? This isn't a documentary. This is an awakening. Let's begin.
95% of everything you see doesn't actually exist. Wait, what? Right now, you're looking at my face. You're seeing light. You're hearing sound. But 95% of the universe? Completely invisible. You cannot see it, cannot touch it, cannot detect it. Yet, it controls everything. It moves galaxies. It shapes stars. It determines if planets live or die. And we have no idea what it is. In 1933, an astronomer noticed something. Galaxies were moving too fast. Like mathematically impossible fast. The gravity we could see wasn't enough. So where was the extra gravity coming from? Scientists did what they always do. They made up a solution. They called it dark matter. Essentially saying something's there. We don't know what, but something is there. That was 90 years ago. We still don't know what it is. And yet, it makes up 27% of the entire universe.
Then, in 1998, something worse happened. Cosmologists were measuring the universe's expansion. They expected it to be slowing down due to gravity. Makes sense, right? Instead, it was accelerating. The universe isn't just expanding, it's expanding faster, like someone hit the accelerator. They named this dark energy. 68% of the universe, a force we cannot see, cannot measure, cannot explain. It's literally pushing everything apart. And here's the beautiful, terrifying part. We have no idea what it is or when it'll tear the universe apart. Let that sink in.
Average. Around us, local group, 80 galaxies. Virgo supercluster, 100,000 galaxies. Observable universe, 2 trillion galaxies. Each galaxy, 100 to 200 billion stars. That's 2 septillion stars total. You are one human on one planet, orbiting one star, in one galaxy, in one supercluster, in one observable universe. Your importance, mathematically,
You're here.
0. And yet,
You're
watching this, thinking, feeling.
You matter.
That's the paradox. You're insignificant, but you're aware of your insignificance. That awareness is everything.
Okay, new question. How big are you? Not metaphorically, literally. You're about 1.7 meters. Now, step back. Your house, about 50 meters across. Your city, 100 plus kilometers. Your planet, 12,742 kilometers. Your solar system, Sun to Neptune, 60 billion kilometers. Now, your galaxy, the Milky Way, 100,000 light years across. 1 light year equals the distance light travels in a year, which equals 9.46 trillion kilometers. So your galaxy is 946 quadrillion kilometers across. Your brain literally cannot visualize this. It's designed to understand rocks, trees, people, cities, not incomprehensible void. But wait, your galaxy, it's average. Just.
And that's against the odds. That's miracle enough. The fact that you're here, watching this, thinking about infinity, understanding your smallness, while still mattering. That's the human experience. Hold on to it. And that's against the odds. That's miracle enough. The fact that you're here, watching this, thinking about infinity, understanding your smallness, while still mattering. That's the human experience. Hold on to it.
Cold darkness. Why do anything? Why love someone? Why create art? Why pursue dreams? Here's the answer. Precisely because it ends. The temporary nature of existence doesn't make it meaningless. It makes it precious. You are made of star stuff. Literally. Carbon, oxygen, iron, calcium, all created in the hearts of stars. Stars that exploded, scattered their atoms, which formed planets, which created life, which made you. You are the universe, conscious of itself. For one brief moment in cosmic time, the universe woke up and looked at itself. That's you. That's all of us. The void is real. The cold is coming. Heat death is inevitable. But right now, right here, life exists.
The figure approaches
Consciousness
the black
exists.
hole at a constant velocity. Now crossing the event horizon, the invisible boundary.
Thermodynamics. The second law of thermodynamics guarantees it. Everything moves toward disorder. Eventually, perfect disorder. Perfect emptiness. And this isn't billions of years away. Well, it is. 10 to the power of 100 years away. That's a 1 followed by 100 zeros. But it will happen. The universe has an expiration date.
It's intensifying.
So, what's the
But the
point?
data,
If
it
it all
just
ends,
cuts out.
if it all becomes...
Where is the information?
Forget evolution. Forget extinction events. Forget climate change. There's something bigger coming. Something absolutely unstoppable. It's called heat death.
72
And it's the end of
It's
everything.
spelling out words.
Here's
Have
how
you
it
seen
works.
this? It
The
says
universe
hello.
is expanding, accelerating. Galaxies are moving apart. In trillions of years, stars will burn out. Black holes will evaporate. Protons might decay. Eventually,
While
only
life
darkness
progresses toward
remains.
advanced civilization,
No
a
light,
great filter presents
no
an
heat,
obstacle.
no
If
life,
it lies ahead,
no
the danger-
structure. Just empty void. Cold. Silent. Forever. Entropy wins. That's not metaphorical. That's...
We might have heard from another world, and we didn't understand the message. Think about that. An entire civilization might have said hello, and we missed it, or misidentified it. How many other signals have we missed? How many messages have passed through our
You're
detection
here.
range while
You're
we
thinking.
weren't listening?
You matter.
Or impossibly rare. In 1977, a radio astronomer named Jerry Eman detected a signal from space. Signal name, WOW signal. 72 seconds long, coming from Chi Sagittarii star group, 220 light years away. Strongest non-terrestrial signal ever
The
detected.
Great Filter. A barrier between simple life
it
and
stopped.
advanced civilization that causes
Never
almost
came
certain
back.
extinction.
For 45 plus years, scientists have tried to explain it. Alien signal. Unlikely. Natural phenomenon. Possible. Equipment glitch. Maybe. We'll probably never know. But for 72 seconds,
By something so advanced, it's indistinguishable from God. Theory 3. We're early. Life is rare. We might be among the first
We have an active
intelligent
signal from Chi
species,
Sagittarii. Duration
ever.
72 seconds. It's
which
spelling out
means we're
words.
pioneers.
It says hello and
We're
wow.
alone because no one else has made it this far. Yet. All three theories have the
Subject,
same implication.
designated Terra, continues to thrive.
Life is either
The indigenous life forms display
doomed,
complex social structures and migratory
imprisoned.
behaviors.
There are several theories. None of them are comforting. Theory 1. The Great Filter. Something kills civilizations. Either it's behind us, we're incredibly lucky, or it's ahead of us. If it's ahead, that means we're approaching our extinction. We're heading towards something that will wipe us out. Maybe nuclear war, maybe AI, maybe climate collapse, maybe something we haven't imagined. Every single civilization reaches this filter and dies, which would explain the silence. All those millions of potential civilizations dead.
While life progresses
The
toward
scary
advanced
part,
civilization,
we don't
a
know
great
if we've
filter
passed it.
presents an obstacle.
Or if it's
If
coming.
it lies ahead, the
Theory
danger
2. The zoo hypothesis. Advanced civilizations exist. They've discovered us. But they're watching. Like a wildlife documentary. Not interfering. Just observing. Which means you're being monitored. Right now.
2 trillion galaxies, 2 septillion stars, trillions of planets, many with liquid water, many with organic chemistry, many probably suitable for life.
Look at the Hawking
So,
radiation signature.
where is
It's
everyone?
intensifying. But the data, it just
This
cuts
is
out.
the Fermi
Where is the
paradox,
information?
named after physicist Enrico Fermi, who asked, "Where is everybody?" The math is brutal. If even 1 in 10 billion planets has life, if even 1 in 10 billion of those develops intelligence, if even 1 in 10 billion of those reaches our level, there should be millions of intelligent civilizations in our galaxy alone. So, why is it so
The figure
quiet?
approaches the black hole at a constant velocity.
When black
Now
holes
crossing the event
evaporate,
horizon, the invisible
yes, they evaporate. Through Hawking radiation, everything that fell in disappears. No trace, no information, gone forever. Physicists hate this. In information in physics should be conserved. But black holes seem to violate that rule. It's called the information paradox, and it's still unsolved. The universe contains objects that literally break physics, and they're scattered everywhere.
Slow down. Slower. 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 Until you freeze. Forever. Time literally stops. From their perspective, you never actually cross the event horizon. You're frozen in time. While from your perspective, you're already dead. Both are true. This isn't philosophy. This is Einstein's relativity,
It was
and it
accelerating.
breaks
An
people's
unexpected
brains.
discovery we now call dark energy.
There's more.
Tidal forces. Your feet closer to the black hole. Your head farther away. Gravity near your feet billions of times stronger than near your head. Your body stretches, lengthens, thins, like spaghetti. Scientists call it spaghettification. Colloquially, you're being turned into a cosmic noodle. Before you die, you experience hours of this. Conscious, aware, feeling your body tear apart. And then you pass the singularity. Everything we know ends. Here's where it gets really weird. Your experience. You fall in. You die. Maybe 1 to 2 hours. But to someone watching from far away, you appear to...
When black holes evaporate, yes, they evaporate. Through Hawking radiation, everything that fell in disappears. No trace, no information, gone
It's screaming
forever.
as it dies.
Physicists hate this. Information in physics should be conserved. But black holes seem to violate that rule. It's called the information paradox, and it's still unsolved. The universe contains objects that literally break
The great
physics.
filter, a barrier between
And they're
simple life
scattered
and advanced
everywhere.
civilization that causes almost
There's a
certain
place in space where physics breaks, where time stops, where you would die in ways science hasn't named yet. It's called a black hole. And here's what's wild. They're not rare. There are millions in our galaxy alone. Some are dormant. Some.
The figure approaches the black hole at a constant velocity. Now crossing the event horizon, the invisible bound. While life progresses toward advanced civilization, a great filter presents an obstacle. If it lies ahead, the dangerous...